Dile tu tío and everybody for me. Alright, yeah, make sure you suscríbete a mi canal and sígame. Sígame a mi canal. And notifications es todo. Okay, she got it. Yeah. Oh, that sticker still over there? I need to put some more in. Oh, Ruler Ramundo said he know her. Ruler Ramundo, you know Ruler Ramundo?
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, Ruler Ramundo, he got somebody on IG. One of y'all. You? They got you on IG? Okay, yeah. Yeah, she IG famous, y'all. She out here at the track. Y'all been waiting to see her. She right up here at Yello Belly. All your followers, they on here. I got 3 people.
You got 3 people.
I got 3 people talking about they know you. Hey, miss, you on my YouTube channel? My YouTube channel, Look Out Racing.
No, I don't know that.
Look, you need to, here, let me get you my, let me give you my, here, this it right here, this my sticker. Look Out Racing. Yeah, that's my.
I just bought a truck.
Okay, he just bought a truck. Yeah, miss, you can delay through Theo, Dolly Me Gusta and everything. Make sure you Dolly Me Gusta now. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Uh-oh, we got a. Okay. Oh. I'm a bit. Go on, he got 1 tire. Look out, Jet. Appreciate the 10, man. We got Jet in the building. Donate $10. Making me feel good already.
Yo, look,
He's buying tacos.
Bro. That's a bad sign.
My driving scares me too.
Ooh.
Look at it.
Alright, y'all. We got Silent Killer Racing coming up next. Fennery Walker just came from Louisiana. He wants me to keep grinding, guys. Alright, I'm gonna keep doing it just cause you said it. Yep. Well, my phone hot today, boy. That mug, they're sucking that juice. My phone sucking. Got this RT over here, y'all. What y'all know about that RT? To the Mustang yet. I need to buy some new tires, get the suspension reset, and change the head gaskets on it. That's my job for the Mustang. A lot going on. Then I gotta put an AC unit in the garage. I might need a name my car can't get right. I kinda like that. Sucking down. Hey man, can you hold this for a second? I gotta get this battery charged out of there. Battery charged out. y'all. We got a turbo 1971 Chevy Caprice. I think it's a 73. Okay. Alrighty, guys. We got Silent Killer in the right lane. We got some trying to get cleared out in the left lane. Oh boy. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. We got Silent Killer backing up, getting ready. We got the little Blazer. The guy flying low say chops the tree real good, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, we got that nitrous working. Which side do you like? Sounds like they done added a extra 100 horsepower. Right lane for the win, guys. Oh man, I can see now we're gonna have a problem later on. Not right now, but later on. The phone's so hot it don't want to take no charge. Is it just, why don't just calm down? What's wrong with you, baby? Hold on, y'all. Let me see if I got something on. I ain't got number one thing on this app, and boy, it's hot. Put my lip on it.